about using fresh food and making food with nice, fresh ingredients. We think Foodini could be a kitchen revolution, similar to how microwaves did it back in the 70s. Foodini ships with empty food capsules, meaning that you as the user actually buy fresh ingredients, you prepare the fresh ingredients for Foodini, and Foodini prints it out. With Foodini, you can do sweet foods, savory foods. We don't have the 6 hours a day that people used to have 50 years ago to make all our meals and snacks homemade. So it's really going back to making homemade fresh food with fresh ingredients. So Natural Machines is a young company. We have a lot of enthusiastic, passionate people on board, people passionate about technology, passionate about food, and combining that together. We wanted to add that to the design element to make it stand out, to make it special, but at the same point to make it fit into your kitchen. An appliance that you would be proud to have on your kitchen at all times and show to other people. And at the end of the day, that's what it's all about, is helping people eat healthier, more nutritious meals using fresh ingredients.